So we are staying in the bronze caravan. This is 26 fanfare. Sleeps 8. Shower room. No toilet, which is a shame. And then you have your toilet room.
We're passing all these nice caravans, and then you brought us to the derelict side.
Shush it. Twin room.
We've got a microwave, Lorraine.
Double room.
Do you want to go back and get your roster?
And another twin room.
Bonus. Draining board.